finally, moving on to the third section. So this is the verse. The verse is 8 bars in total, but 7 of those bars are exactly the same. All right, so it's nice and easy. The 7 bars that are the same go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh. And again, nice and slowly it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, chest, thigh, shh, thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, chest, thigh, shh, thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ti, ti, ta, shh, ta. Alright, so let's try that all together. You can have your left hand ready over your chest and your right hand ready over your thigh. And remember, we're starting with our right foot again. So really slowly, that bar goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, chest, thigh, shh, thigh. 1, 2, here we go. Right foot, chest, thigh, shh, thigh. 1, 2, here we go. Ti, ti, ta, shh, ta. 1, 2, one more time. Ti, ti, ta, shh, ta. Excellent, very, very good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do 7 repeats of that rhythm. And we're going to start from piano, which means quiet, and we're going to gradually crescendo throughout our 7 bars. So that means we're going to gradually get louder. Okay, here we go. So 7 bars and then stop. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very, very good. Excellent 7 bars. And on the end of our 7 bars, so for our 8th bars, we're going to have both hands ready. We're going to put them on our thighs, and it's going to go like this. The 8th bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. And did you notice I was doing another crescendo through that last bar? So it starts off quiet and then it gets really loud at the end. Let's try it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. 1, 2, here we go. T, 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 T. 1, 2, one more time. T, 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 T. Excellent. I think we are ready to put those 7 bars together with our last bar to make 8 bars in total. So we're starting with the right foot, that one. We're doing it 7 times and then we're putting this one on the end. Okay, let's try it a little bit quicker. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Who managed that? If you didn't manage it, do not worry. You can go back and rewind and have another go and get those 8 bars really perfect. And then when you have finished practicing the verse and you're really happy with it, go back and practice the introduction and then revisit the chorus and practice that, and then come back to the verse and practice that again. And when you're really confident with all 3 sections, keep practicing them till you're super confident. And then after that, we are going to release the next video, which is the next level of difficulty in our body percussion. But you can only do the next level when you have mastered everything in this video today. So good luck and keep practicing, and I will see you very soon.